Now the topic before us is Python variables naming convention. While naming the variables in Python, we have to follow certain conventions so that the name of the variable is clear and there is no syntax error. First is first character limitation. While naming the variables, the first character of the variable name should be a letter or an underscore, that is A to Z, E to Z or an underscore. Here we will give some examples of valid variable names in which the first character has been shown. For example, this is name. Here the first character of the variable name n is in uppercase. Here you will see that the first character is in lowercase. Here you can see that the first character in the variable name has been started with an underscore. All these are valid variable names. Next is a restriction of starting with number. We cannot start a variable name with a number. Number means digits such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, anything. We cannot start. For example, if we write 1 year, it is invalid variable name. But if we write year 1, that is number has been taken to the last position, then it is okay. Here it was, number was in the first position while writing the variable name, so it was invalid. So when we have written the variable name but the position of the number is at the last, then it is okay. Next is restriction of using special character as the first character or within the name except for the underscore. While writing the variable name, we can use underscore, but we cannot use any special characters such as percentage, dollar, or some other symbols like that, hyphen. We cannot use such type of special characters as the first character or within the name. For example, if we write dollar balance or percentage balance, then these are invalid variable names. If we write total hyphen cost, all these are invalid variable names. There are some special symbols such as asterisk. If we use asterisk, it is used in Python for multiplication. In other languages, we may be using this symbol to draw attention to some particular point, but in the case of Python, it has special meaning, that is multiplication. So some symbols in Python have some special meanings. So if we use special symbols or special characters in Python, it may result into some syntax error or it may result into unexpected behavior. Next is Python variable names can be combination of letters. Letters means A to Z in lowercase, uppercase, numbers means 0 to 9, underscore is this. That is variable name can be combination of all these. For example, we can say total underscore cost, it is a valid variable name. If we write age in years, it is a valid variable name. If we write user underscore name, it is also a valid variable name. It must be noted that, however, we can use underscore as the first character in the variable name. Next is case sensitivity. The variable names are case sensitive. That is, if we write a variable name as name here, this one, or then these are case sensitive. These are different variable names. That is, the Python will understand both of these as different variable names. If we write all these characters in uppercase, so here these are three different variable names. Python variable name is case sensitive. Next is use lowercase letters with underscore to separate words. What it means? Suppose we have two words, total price as variable name. So we will write it as total underscore price. If we write username, user underscore name. By using underscore in between the words makes the variable name properly readable. Next is use descriptive variable names. While naming the variables, we can have short variable names such as x is equal to 10, y is equal to 15, in which x is a variable name, y is a variable name. But it is recommended to have descriptive and meaningful variable names. While we are allotting or creating variables, we should name the variables which are descriptive and meaningful. For example, we can write the variable name as total cost. Total underscore cost is equal to 10, or new underscore discount is equal to 15. So here you will see that these variable names, total underscore cost, new underscore discount, are descriptive and meaningful variable names. They show what type of information is contained in the variable. Next is variable name can be of any length. Now there is no restriction on the length of the variable name. We can write the variable name as this is the present price. Now this is the valid variable name, but it is a very lengthy. It does not seem to be properly readable. We should have the variable name which is short and properly readable. For example, we can write or create the variable name as name, age, sum. Next is use of reserved keywords as variable names not recommended. There are certain keywords which are reserved in Python. They have special meanings in Python. Some of the reserved keywords in Python are if, while, etc. There are many keywords. You can have the list of the reserved keywords in Python's on the Python's official website. If we use these keywords reserved keywords. While naming the variables, it may result into unexpected behavior or syntax error. So at the last, we can say that by following these variable naming conventions, we can have a clear and proper variable name, and it will not result into syntax error or some unexpected behavior. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.